What's going on, everyone? Today, we're gonna talk about the Tusk High Fender Kit for the CFMoto IBEX 450. If you've got one of these in your garage right now, you already know the low fender that comes on these makes it look like a street bike. I love the way that this high fender kit makes this thing look like it's ready to tackle those off-road trails. But looks isn't the only reason you're gonna make this mod. We're gonna talk about this and show you exactly why this also has some added performance benefits for your IBEX. Let's get into this thing. If you've got your hands on one of these IBEX 450s like we did here at Rocky Mountain, you already know this is a super capable machine. We're doing a build series on this thing, and we're trying to focus ours to be ready for off-road riding. Now, one of the big things, you don't want to be off-road and look like you're a little out of place. The looks of this high fender kit makes your bike look like a dirt bike. It looks like it's ready to go on whatever off-road adventure and whatever single trail you can throw at it. It looks like it's ready for the task. That's something I love about this. Now, a big thing I will tell you, we do offer this in both black and white, so you get your pick. You want that dark look, or do you want it to blend in with this front cowling right here? Now, for those of you, a little trivia question. Let me know in the comments what bike we sourced these front fenders from. I'd love to see the correct answer in our comments section. Now, we've got to get to the main reason that you would throw this on your bike, and that's gonna come to off-road performance. With the stock low fender, one of the biggest things that you're going to see off-road is as soon as the dirt gets a little bit tacky or the gravel gets a little wet, that's gonna grab onto that tire, and it has a tendency to jam up in between the front fender and the front tire. This can easily stop you in your tracks, which is gonna cause an unwanted crash. In fact, we had a group that left out on an adventure ride from here at Rocky Mountain, and they ran into just that. The low fender got packed up with mud to the point where the front wheel didn't move until they took the front fender off. That's not something you want to deal with on the trails. And that's going to be one of the biggest reasons you're going to want this high fender kit on your IBEX. So let's talk about the materials and how we got this thing set up. Now, this does come with an aluminum plate that is going to mount to the bottom of your triple clamps. This does come with two different size spacers. So one thing you are going to want to pay attention to when you're installing this is the front spacer is going to be a little bit smaller. And that's because it's going to not only use that spacer, but also the crossover bracket for your brake line. So pay attention to that as you're putting this on. Now, when it comes to install, this does come with a great set of instructions as well as all the needed hardware. Now, one thing I will tell you though, if you're looking for one small modification that's gonna make a huge difference in how your bike looks and performs off-road, the high fender kit is exactly what you want. This is a machine-specific part, so be sure when you're on the page to put in your year, make, and model of machine to get the one that we've tailor-built for your bike. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.